Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is my new M4, and over the next few videos we're going to be turning this into a ring tool / track day car. I picked this car up a couple of weeks ago, and at the time it was the cheapest non-categorised M4 we could find in the UK. After going through the car, we decided to give it a full service, engine and gearbox, and then stick on the dyno to give it a full health check before we start playing with it. So we've got to do gearbox sump, and then it's a filter inside the sump.
Yeah.
From what I understand. And then obviously engine oil filter.
To drain your oil.
Yeah.
Low pressure filter that side. Remove the sump, ring the bolts, sump off. A pickup tube, you just have to remove that. New bolts, new sump.
Sweet. Wow, that's tight. This is where Matt comes in and goes, what are you took that off for? So the plan is to do an engine oil and filter service, and then also a gearbox oil and filter service. So here's all the stuff for the gearbox. We've got new sump in here, all the new sump bolts. The sump, internal filter, and then there's another filter that goes inside of the gearbox as well. All the oil ready to go. That's where we ping it across the garage. So the plan is now, put the two bolts back in that filter and then check auto data for all the correct torque figures. It's always good to start with your fingers before you use a gun. Just waiting for Matt to get us the torque references for all the stuff for the gearbox. So just going to drop the engine oil now, stick a new filter in it, and then hopefully Matt will be back with the torque settings and stuff, and then we can carry on with that. New oil filter and two new O-rings on the housing. Slot that back in there. Unfortunately, we haven't got the right size for this filter cap, so I've had to revert to the old school method. Did you hear the click? Right, new sump back on, not back on, new sump on. So there's a sequence to tighten all the sump plug bolts, which can be found on the internet. These are torqued to 10 Newton meters. So once we finished the service at MG Auto Motorsport, we took the car to the dyno for a health check. So the car performed really well on dyno, however quite quickly suffered with heat soak, which we'll be addressing in the future with some cooling upgrades. In the next video, we're going to be fitting all of the handling upgrades, which have been piling up nicely over the last few weeks. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, give the video a like, and we'll see you in the next one where we'll be turning this into a track car.